Here are some payment confirmations: 100, 200, 300, and even $400 earned daily through typing gigs. The best part, you can do this from anywhere globally. Take a look at people from various countries earning from this platform. Plus, it's entirely free, no investment required. Just a laptop or mobile phone will do the work. Even as total beginner, you can earn up to $400 daily just by typing. And guess what? I'll introduce you not one but two websites where you can start earning by typing words. Stick around till the end and I will reveal a secret method to earn money without working. This method is my favorite as it offers pure passive income, allowing you to travel on vacations or even start the new online ventures. So first off, head over to this important site, that is typingtest.com. Here, take 1 minute typing test to check your typing speed. Click on typing test, select the test duration 1 minute and text difficulty level medium. You can even take this test on your smartphone. Start the test and once done, it will display your words per minute, that is WBM, typing accuracy and net speed. Improving your typing speed is vital, as I will soon introduce you sites where typing faster means earning more. Now let's dive into websites where you can earn money by typing. First up is 2captcha.com. It is a trusted platform where you get paid to solve captchas. You can work from home or anywhere with an internet connection and you receive instant payments. To register, click on sign up, enter your details and confirm your email address. Once registered, log into your dashboard with earning stats. Click on start work to begin. You will start with training before getting actual work to minimize errors and maximize earnings. Now let's go to the second site, that is megatypers.com. It's been around for over a decade and it is powered by Google Translate. You get paid to solve captchas here too. To register, click on free sign up, fill in your details and use G54N as the invitation code. Activate your account via the email link and you are ready to go. Start working and you will see your stats displayed on the dashboard. You can also earn through their affiliate program by referring others. So that's all for today. Let me know how it goes in the comments. Thank you very much.